It's the start of 2025 Miles of Mayhem, Canada's Drag Week. Hopefully it's going to be the only mud we encounter all week, right? I think we have arrived at the right place in the rain. Ooh.
You're gonna need to carry the beer. All right, we are in the hotel room in Rimbey. Mason is back there editing for the pre-chip stuff. There are some cool, sick cars out here in Rimbey. Canceled today. Test and tune, done. Not doing it. Not happening. Day one in Rimbey, not happening. No hits in Rimbey. 9 a.m. we're meeting at the community center or whatever.
Yep.
And heading to Medicine Hat from there, where hopefully we can make a hit. So this is day one. Day zero?
Day zero.
Day zero is a bit of a bust, and day one kind of is too.
It's kind of like -1 today, but that's okay.
That's all right. We'll see you soon.
So, to all you guys, have a good luck on your trip today. Any questions?
Yeah, brother. We got our map for day one. Going to drum first. It is rainy, as they said. Mason's learning the car.
Yes, learning.
Learning.
I've never drove stick before.
It's not true. It's not true.
We made it to Drumheller. It's actually kind of a pretty cool little city. Stopped at a sandwich shop. I had chicken salad sandwich. You had
Smoked ham.
smoked ham sandwich.
Smoked ham. It was awesome.
Said it was a solid what?
9.5 for sure.
It was a really good sandwich place. So we got to go find a dinosaur now and take a crazy picture with a dinosaur.
Yeah.
They're gonna have a funniest photo award, so maybe we can get creative and do something with that. So dinosaur, gas, and then Medicine Hat.
All right.
Getting out of Drumheller, it's some of the straightest roads we have ever been on. Luckily it's only for 70, 140, about 200, almost 300 kilometers. Oh, a tree!
No.
No, it's just a sign. Shoot. I've been fucking hot here. Jesse, these poor people have had a boring day like us. Can you please give them a downshift? Thanks.
We did it.
Was your leg of the trip the most fun leg of the trip?
No.
Yeah, like still building it. This place is open, right?
Hell yeah.
Ooh, more friends. Ooh. Single cab Ford truck friends. We're now here in the beautiful field of Medicine Hat. Look at this huge room we have.
It's huge.
This is great. 60 seconds, gone in 60 seconds on the TV, beers in the fridge. We're just gonna wait for
The rain.
the rain. All the rain. No, for people to come piling in. There's a few people starting to come in now, so we might wash up here a little, have a beer, and mosey around, try to make some friends. Maybe hit up.
We're not probably gonna make it.
No friends probably, but Boston Pizza for sure.
Nice.
That was day one. Day two, hopefully we're gonna do some racing.
We're gonna do some racing.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some racing.
All right.
All right.
See you guys. Bye bye.